Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is T, and today I lost my mind, and so I have the world's spiciest food, okay? This video is going to be the world's spiciest food challenge. I have ghost pepper noodles, 2 times spicy noodles, another ghost pepper noodle, and the one chip challenge for 2022. I don't know why I'm doing this, but let's get into it. So, not only is this challenge hot, but I have to answer a question in between eating each spicy food, okay? So, I'm going to start with the ghost pepper noodles. And I arranged them based on what I thought was the spiciest. So, the spiciest is over here. So, this is the least spiciest, most spiciest. Now, granted, they're all spicy, okay? I went and found the most spiciest foods on the internet. And we're here. All right. I'm nervous about it. Okay, so let me put the sauce in, and then we can start with the first question. Well, I gotta eat this first and then answer the first question. It's not cooperating. And the goal is to finish this challenge in 10 minutes. So I'm putting all the spicy stuff in so we can just get to it. Okay. So let's begin the challenge. I'm gonna eat the first thing and then the timer starts, okay? All right. Let's do this. Next, first question.
Would you rather chew your own toenails or someone else's fingernails?
What?
And why?
Oh, wow. Y'all on Instagram wicked. Would I chew my own toenail or somebody else's fingernail? I'm gonna go ahead and chew my own toenail because my germs. Not easy. Okay, 2 times spicy noodles. So this is a ghost pepper. 2 times spicy. I have 10 minutes. Let's spark liquor. I'm a wicked to myself. That's a fact. Okay. Next question.
When was the last time you cried?
I cried. The last time I cried, when I was sick last week, I cried because all my kids were sick and I was sick and I just felt helpless. So that's the last time I cried. Yeah. I can't do this. Yeah, I had the one chip to go. No, sir. Why I do this? I don't know. I can't do it. Yes. Wow. Oh. And you really go and say, all of the spicy food them on the internet, eat them. I need a bigger fork. Can you get me a fork? This fork too little. Taking long. Find it hot. It's temperature hot and spicy hot. It's a lot of noodles though. Every time I do this, I not like myself. And I'm gonna tell myself, but I'm gonna do it again. Honestly, at this point, I don't know if it's 10 minutes. Just finish it. I have to drink the water too? Maybe. Ask me the question.
As a mukbanger, do you ever puke your food?
What? Yo. Y'all were waiting to ask me this. No, the answer is no. That's not a good habit. Don't do it. I'm not drinking the water. Alright, one chip challenge time. I'm having my ice cream ready. This is death. That's all you need to know, okay? My ice cream ready. Ronan, help me. I have to do 1 minute after this, okay? I have to wait 1 minute before I can eat my ice cream. Ask me the question. And then give me 1 minute timer, please.
What's the first thing you'd do if you woke up one day and you were a guy?
If I woke up and I was a guy, wow. Look enough, girl. Joke. Women we have enough problems. If I woke up and I was a guy, look enough, yeah, look enough, girl. Madame, answer. 1 minute yet?
No. Something that you've never told your husband.
What? I'm gonna tell you everything. 1 minute. 1 minute?
No, 10 more seconds.
Shit. Don't do this.
Answer the question.
Something I never told my husband. Wow. Okay, last night, I stayed up until 3 a.m. when I knew someone forgot my bed. And this is important, y'all, because I've been working and going to bed so I can wake up on time. I'm never tell you.
All right, time's up.
This is the spiciest challenge I've ever done. And I truly believe that this is the world's spiciest channel. Yeah. If I never have this meal gone. If I didn't have the ice cream, I would have been gone. The Paqui one chip challenge is no joke. And these noodles are the spiciest noodles I've ever had. This spicy too. This. I want my nose. Ew. Bye.
You good?